Welcome to Richard Books. I am Sham Sudarati and I shall introduce you to the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. The author begins the book with an incident from his somophobia in the school. He describes that he was hit by a baseball bat which caused his nose to be crushed into a distorted shape. The collision let the soft tissue of the brain enter to his skull. He ended up with a broken nose, skull fractures, and 2 shattered eye sockets. He had blood stains all over. People rushed him to the nurse office. There, the nurse asked him multiple questions, but he answered all of them wrongly except for his mother's name. As he lost his consciousness, he was taken to the hospital. He had his first seizure and was soon shifted to a larger hospital in Cincinnati. The author had suffering from his third seizure and he was put into the coma and was placed on the ventilator. The next morning, his health condition improved and he was released from the coma. However, his eyes were affected badly. The surgery would take a week, so he returned home for a while. The next few months were full of sufferings, depression, and worsened health conditions. He wanted to get back to the baseball, his passion, but he was told to practice with juniors due to his poor performance in the game. Gradually, he made it to the seniors and began college after 2 years. His college was a great journey, where he was a college athlete. He started leading his life in a disciplined routine. He slept early, kept his room tidy, and improved his study habits. These minor changes increased his confidence to exponentially. He excelled in the academics and voted as a team captain. He was selected for all conference team. He was soon declared as a top male athlete in the university and was named to a ESPN Academic All-America team. He was awarded university's highest honor. The author says that his achievements were product of the good habits he inculcated in his routine. Consistent habits can compound into a remarkable results. The backbone of the book is a 4-step model of cue, craving, response, and reward. It will help guide readers to develop discipline in order to aim more and achieve more. So now we come to the end of this video. Thank you.